So today's video is going to be on a Stihl Hs45 hedge trimmer. It would not start when it's cold. Sometimes it would, sometimes it wouldn't. Hit and miss on that. But once it was running, it would run fine. So just a quick fix to help you guys save some money and not have to go to the shop if you don't have to. You know, because that little thing right there ended up costing this guy about $45. Maybe 50. I hadn't totaled the bill yet. I forget how much the air filter housing costs, but you'll see. And also, this is a little mail call today from our good buddy up in Michigan, in Dundee, Michigan. Rich's Mowers-N-Blowers. He sent me a couple of these stickers. This is his new stickers. I'm guessing with Rich's Mowers-N-Blowers instead of Rich's Mowers-N-Blowers Outdone, but it's the same guy. So nice gentleman up there in Michigan. Even though he's from the north, I still love him. So go over and check his channel out. Give him some likes, watch his videos, give him some, you know, love, man. Go show everybody in our community some love. But anyway, we're going to get on into this video. It's a short one. Hope you enjoy it. And everybody have a great weekend. We'll get right into this. So this is the Hs45 hedge trimmer that we have, and the complaint on it was it wouldn't start. It would start sometimes, and then sometimes it wouldn't. Blah 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 blah. So what I did was, you know, I took their air filter cover off, pulled out this nasty filter, and you know, when I got it, it was, you know, whatever, but I tried to spray some starter fluid in here, or I squirted some 2-cycle mix in here, and it fires right up. And, you know, once it fires up, it runs and it restarts all the time, no problem. So I couldn't figure out exactly what it was, but I noticed when I was playing with this piece right here, this is what chokes these things. It's got this little arm that comes in and closes down. It doesn't have a choke valve in here, so to speak. This is what it does. It shuts off the air to the carburetor, and that's your choke. So the problem is, this piece here wasn't working properly. And this is the old one that came off of it. And you can see, when you try to do it, you see how it binds up right there? So it's never choking off the carburetor when it's cold. So it's never going to start like that, unless you get lucky or whatever. But once it starts running, it'll re-crank. But once it gets cold, it won't. And these things wear out. They get a little play in. All it's holding it on there is one of these little washers or whatever you want to call it, self-locking washers. And then sometimes this plastic piece, I noticed right here where this goes over, it doesn't keep it in line. But the main thing is this wears out, and that's because people force them and whatever, and it wears a groove in the back of this, right in there. It wears a groove in there, and so it's not able to lock down. So once you get that, you know, it works fine now. Had to do a little carburetor adjustment on it. But this is just a quick fix I want to tell you guys about, because, you know, before you take it into your lawn care guy, you know, all you need is 2 8mm bolts, or 8mm socket to take the 2 8mm nuts off. You probably need a deep weld to get in there. And this is a common part on a lot of older Stihl. Most of all their hedge trimmers are like this, but the older Stihl weed eaters are like that. The HT85s, I think, are like this. So if you have a setup like this, check this first before you go waste your money in a shop. And I'll post the part number for this air filter housing. And just thought I'd show you something that might save you a little money down the road. Now I'm going to show you it cranking up and running like it's supposed to. So we're going to put her on choke. We're going to prime her up. Got the switch on. Got her on choke. We're going to crank her over. Now it hit a lick, and I'm going to take the choke off. get the idea. So always check that first, and before you go waste your money. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, ring that bell if you want to see my next videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Jungle Bob. So now we put some gas in it. I just wanted to show you. All right, that's it.